Okay, here. The first thing is, do we need standard deviation? Okay. So first thing I want to let you know, pre-series 就是数的系列。For example, decision tree, or random forest. Do not need to standard gathering. Also, do not need to transfer or us memory. 这是数的特性哦 ，memory. So we don't know a lot of things. Then the y equal to et and train task. Everything is the same, the original one. So what we do, change the random state here. 2006. And today we do not use the genie. Because we do not use the tree, so please delete the tree here. From as Taylor. 我们在哪里呢 ？Ensemble. Okay. Ensemble. Not trees. Ensemble package. Equals random forest classifier. So random forest classifier. The parameters we provide here is first, how many trees? And after many trees. 我们用200棵树。And we have to give some the trees we don't want to overfit. So the mathma depth is 8. And then the random state 只要是树都有它叫 random state 的地方。And it will be random forest feed. And use the random forest feed. Use random .4 to find Okay, so this is random forest accuracy. Random forest accuracy. This, I think it is not because it's a lot. And we don't also have to prevent the tree. So the accuracy for random forest random forest. Okay, let's go. Oh, here. Okay. Trade 这个非常高 ，trade 是0.97多，那个 cap 是0.90多，确定你的是对的。要给你点时间吗 ？Yeah, okay. To make sure your answer is the same with me, that 你的程式码对了，你才能够去做作业。